It's an alternator replacement on the 2005 F-150 Lariat Super Crew with the 5.4 liter. Since this truck is driven in the salt in the wintertime in Michigan, I gave the new alternator a couple of quick coats of silver engine paint. Start the installation by removing the air inlet horn. It's a 10mm head size bolt. I'm going to remove the upper radiator hose from on the engine side. Remove the drive belt. Breaker bar on the tensioner pulley. The 4 top mounting bolts I replaced with ARP stainless steel bolts. These are M6x20 ARP 770-1001 12 point, and those are 8mm 12 point head size. So there's 4 of those. 4 of those, 2 on each side, 2 on the alternator, and then 2 on the engine on that alternator mounting bracket. And there's still the 2 bolts, 10mm head size bolts at the base of the alternator. So notice here my Power Master alternator is cracked in a couple different places. The 2 bottom bolts just have to be loosened, and then the alternator slides off or goes up, lifts up off of the 2 bottom bolts. Now before I put the alternator in the truck, I'm going to put a little dielectric grease on both of the electrical connectors. Both here and here. the cables have a harness hold down right in the middle of the bracket. Pop that open with a screwdriver. I'm going to lift the alternator up and out, and the main positive terminal is a 10mm bolt. Now I also grounded my alternator. I added a ground cable to it, and it's also bolted to the back. It's got a lug position there for a threaded bolt hole. So again, 10mm. I didn't remove my negative ground cable, so this is still hot. So you gotta use caution. It's good to remove the ground cable. I didn't remove mine because I'm using my 12-volt trouble light. So I'm going to use caution and protect that connector. Simply push in and remove the 3-wire electrical connector that energizes the coil. Comes right out. And now I got to remove my ground strap. I used a 13mm head size bolt on my ground cable. So whatever that works out in an M size. And just remove the alternator out of the vehicle. I'm going to use a wire brush on the stainless steel bolts in the vise and just clean them up a little bit. They clean up really easy, even with 70,000 miles on them. Isn't that a nice looking bolt? I decided to pull out those bottom mounting bolts, sandblast them, and hit them with a little bit of spray paint. The new alternator goes back in just like the old one came out. before I install the air inlet horn, I'm going to start it up and run it, take a look at it, make sure the belt's installed correctly, make sure nothing's loose, and make sure it's charging. So the alternator is charging at 14.3, 14.2. So it is functioning. It sounds good. There's no noise at all, and there's no vibration. So it's tight. That concludes the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please subscribe.